I made another tool for Ableton. Whether you're using my BCF 2000 MIDI Remote Script or my Intech Grid MIDI Remote Script, or just any other custom or third-party MIDI Remote Script, this tool has been created to simplify the process of installing those. So here's the icon on my desktop, and I'll just double-click. So using this, you can choose between program data, program files, and program files x86 parent folders, which the Ableton installation will be in. So if you change this radio button, you'll get the different versions of Ableton installed on your computer in those different folders. And once you've selected the folder, you'll be able to see the actual install location right here. And if you'd like, you can just open it up with this button. But of course, that's not necessary. The tool is intended to simplify the process of installing MIDI Remote Scripts. So all you have to do is select the drop-down and get your current version of Ableton Live, mine is beta, and then choose MIDI Remote Script. And this will ask whether you want to import a zip or a folder. Mine are currently in zips, but it would be about the same. I've downloaded mine to my desktop, and so here for this example, we'll install my BCF 2000 MIDI Remote Script, and now I just click import. So if you go to import a MIDI Remote Script and it already exists, once you click the import button, it'll tell you, and you can create new, which will basically just add a number to the end. See, this one's 3, or you can actually overwrite, and it'll overwrite the first one. And so this thing is really useful if you don't want to go digging through all the Ableton folders, especially if you have multiple versions installed like I do. This thing is really useful to just hone in on where exactly to put it. If you've ever downloaded a MIDI remote script from the internet, that will likely come as a zip file. So that's what this is for, to just choose, and you can select the zip. But if you've already extracted it, of course you can select the folder. Again, a lot of the need for this came from folks just utilizing my software, my BCF 2000 mapping, needing to put it in the correct folder and not really understanding where that goes. So any MIDI controller you have, you may be able to find a custom MIDI remote script for it, and this will simplify the installation for that. So that's all I have for today. As always, remember these 3 things. Improvement starts when you question the default. Don't settle for presets when you can create possibilities. And the only rule worth following is to make it better. Peace.